Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting continuity mode on the multimeter. This enables the audible beep and low resistance display. Once done, remove power and discharge capacitors so you do not damage the meter. Make sure to touch metal probe tips together to verify a beep. This proves the leads and meter work. Now position the black probe on ground or one contact and keep the red probe free to touch the test point. That first touch starts the diagnostic path. With probes placed, apply steady, light pressure and avoid sliding. A solid contact gives reliable readings. If you hear a beep or see near 0 ohms, the path conducts, which means continuity is present. No beep and high or infinite reading indicate an open circuit. If readings flicker or change when you move the wire, that indicates an intermittent or frayed conductor. Once you identify a suspect section, annotate it and repeat tests at adjacent junctions to isolate the exact breakpoint. After repairing or reseating the suspect connection, retest exactly the same points to confirm continuity is restored. Make sure you reapply the same probe positioning and pressure so your comparison is valid. If resistance stays higher than expected, clean surfaces or redo the solder joint until you see the low ohm reading and hear the beep. If tests still fail, check the multimeter on a known good circuit. That rules out a bad meter or lead as the hidden problem. This single check saves wasted troubleshooting time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.